Are you heading to Vegas? Are you trying to figure out how to save money, beat the crowds, trying to figure out the best places to stay, find the hidden gems? Or maybe you want to venture off the strip. Or maybe you just want to find the best places to eat. I've got a few tips and tricks here for you coming up next. Here's your top 3 hidden gems. Fremont Street Experience. Here you'll find every Friday free live music by well-known acts like Blue Oyster Cult, Grand Funk Railroad, and Tonic. Here you'll find many street entertainers, cheapest drinks in Vegas. Get the football and don't fumble. Number 2 hidden gem is the Kiss Monster Mini Golf at the Rio. Black lights, rockin' atmosphere, and likely little crowds. You can typically find cheap deals on Groupon, open till midnight, where you can putt and roll all night and party every day. You can get 4 passes on Groupon for $31. The number 1 hidden gem in Vegas is the Downtown Container Park, situated just off the action on Fremont Street, where you're greeted by a fire-breathing praying mantis. This unique courtyard is open to all ages until 9 p.m. and then adult only until 11 p.m. on weekdays, 1 a.m. on weekends. You can get drinks, food, and have some fun in the middle of the courtyard where they have a quasi-obstacle course that you can play on. The container park typically has live entertainment, and once again, it is free. Next up is Best Eats in Vegas. Number 3, at the end of the strip near the Wynn, you'll find a popular yet cheap and delicious taco stand called Tacos El Gordo. Get the El Pastor and thank me later. Number 2 is Holstein's, located in the Cosmopolitan. Dubbed the best burger on the strip, you can find such burgers as the Billionaire Burger, which is an American Wagyu beef burger for $32. Also, make sure you say it's your birthday and get a smoky dessert, which is basically a mochi ball slash dry ice. And the number 1 restaurant in Vegas that we always go to is called the Peppermill. It's at the end of the strip. The movie Casino was filmed here. It's open 24 hours, and it's got very good food. And last, money-saving ideas. Here's top 3 ideas that we've come across. Number 3 is Vegas Rewards apps. This is something you can do in your free time, playing slots and blackjack for free. You can rack up points, flip those points into rewards. At this one is called My Vegas Blackjack. You can get rewards at all the MGM hotels. You can get free coffees, 2-for-1 dinners, free roller coaster rides at New York, for instance. There's room rate discounts. If you rack up enough, you can get some free play, which is basically free money for gambling. Pretty good deals. It's worth checking out. And then players cards. Always get players cards for free parking, comp drinks. Then number 1, what's the best time to go to Vegas? Price-wise, it's between Thanksgiving and Christmas, but that's really up to you. Vegas is a great time. Be safe and have fun.